Hello and welcome to GeForce and our coverage of GDC 2019. I'm Julian here with Marcus from Epic Games because Unreal Engine is going to be incorporating ray tracing, and I think that's pretty huge news.
Yeah, it's been a really big effort for us for the last year. Last GDC, we showed off the first prototype that we had with partnership with NVIDIA and Lucasfilm ILM with the Star Wars Reflections demo. And then since then, we've kind of been hard at work with the whole team to bring that prototype code back to the real engine, and it's finally shipping in 422.
So this is potentially going to make ray tracing much more of a widespread feature in games.
Hopefully. I mean, so far we've seen some of the features that might work out really well is Retracing Shadows. They seem to perform really, really well in a lot of situations, particularly in cases where it's hard for rasterization to deal with. For example, if you have like a big area light, you can get nice soft shadows from the ray tracing and they're pretty performant.
So Unreal Engine is free for anybody to download. You can go and actually start fiddling with it. Have you seen people actually playing with the ray tracing feature in Unreal Engine?
Yeah, absolutely. We actually put the first version up available back in December. And since then, we've had a lot of users download the code off of GitHub, trying things out and posting cool screenshots. It's been pretty great so far.
So you've got people already tinkering with it. And the thing I think is interesting about Unreal Engine is it's so beautiful that it's also a good tool for artists, filmmakers, that sort of thing. And we've seen a demo that's called Troll. It's at our booth. What are some of the features that really stand out in this Troll visualization?
It was really important to us that that cinematic is running on as close to the actual version of the engine that we're releasing as humanly possible. There's very little code that was done in that cinematic that's not actually in 422. Because last year we did Reflections, but that was all prototype code and we couldn't really give it out to people. And this year we wanted to make sure that we were showing off something that people could actually accomplish if they downloaded the engine that we were releasing right after GDC. So the features that are really important there are like nice soft area shadows. We have nice ray trace reflections. There's some translucency support. Kind of a little fairy effect is a few millions worth of particles, Niagara systems that are going through there, and a good number of them are ray traced.
So just all the ray tracing goodies. Well, thank you guys for tuning in here on GeForce. We've got more coverage from GDC 2019. Be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time on GeForce.